Teds Woodworking Plans Review. See what recent customers who use Teds Woodworking Plans are saying. Will your plans be suitable for novices? I'm just starting on my woodworking journey. Just want to make sure it will work. Ted McGrath. My plans are great for beginners because everything is laid out for you. It will be easy to get started as I will provide you with materials lists, sectional diagrams and step-by-step details. I bought your plans 2 days ago and had to come back just to say that. It's just like what you said in the video. There is enough variety of projects in here, big and small, intricate and simple. And you can pick out new ones as you progress in your woodworking abilities. To anyone reading this, watch the video and purchase his plans. It's a bargain. Followed your plans to a T, and now I'm happy to say I'm a proud owner of a 10 by 15 shed. Finally done it. Ted personally guide me through some difficult parts of the shed. Thanks mate. Writing you here to say that this is one of the best collection of plans I've seen. I'm on my 4th day and have already built a few wooden toys for my daughter. It's a great feeling knowing you made something by hand. Teds Woodworking Plans is a fantastic deal, and would be a great addition to any woodworker's library. I have never seen a package this big and so nicely put together for such a low price. Regular price, $197. Today, only $67. To get the job done faster, easier, cheaper and without frustration. Click the link below this video to go check it out, and get instant access to 16,000 plans now.